Hello everyone, my name is Noor Mohammad Hashim and my topic is representing knowledge using rules. Today we will learn about procedural versus declarative knowledge, logic programming and forward versus backward reasoning. Procedural versus declarative knowledge. What is knowledge? Procedural knowledge refers to the knowledge embedded in the algorithm and models that indicate how specific tasks should be performed. This includes the steps, rules, and methods that a machine learning model or AI system should follow to achieve a particular outcome. Whereas declarative knowledge refers to the explicit facts, rules, and data that an AI system can use to make decisions or reason about the world. It involves knowledge that can be directly accessed and interpreted by the system. Declarative knowledge. Consider the following knowledge base. Marcus is a man, Caesar is a man, Cleopatra is a person. For all of x, if x is man, then x is a person. To find which person y is true, we can derive y is Marcus, y is equal to Caesar, y is equal to Cleopatra. In a declarative approach, the order of examinations does not matter. Whereas, if we use the same knowledge base, Marcus is a man, Caesar is a man, for all of x, if x is a man, then x is a person, person is equal, person, Cleopatra is a person. If assertions are examined from the beginning and using a depth first search, to the inference rule for all of x, if x is equal to man, then x is a person, first applies. Marcus is found to satisfy all the subgoals. So Marcus is a man. Thus, person Marcus is a person is reported. In this approach, in this procedural view, Marcus is the answer. Logic programming. Logic programming is a paradigm that emphasizes the use of formal logic to express computation. Instead of specifying a sequence of operations to achieve a result, logic programming focuses on the defining relationship and rules that describe the desired result. The, the most well-known logic programming language is Prolog, but there are others as well. Logic programming facts. Facts are the basic assertions about the world that are unconditionally true. In Prolog, a fact is represented as a predicate with specific arguments. For example, Alice is parent of Bob. Bob is parent of Charlie. Rules. Rules define relationship between facts. They specify that if a certain conditions are true, then another conditions must be also true. For example, if x if x is grandpa of y, then x is parent of z and z is parent of y. Queries. Queries are used to ask questions about the facts and rules defined in the system. They are typically used to retrieve information or to test whether certain conditions can be satisfied. In the given example, we query about if Alice is the grandparent of Charlie. Backtracking and unification. Logic programming often use backtracking to find all possible solutions to a query. When a goal is requested, the system searches for all matching facts and applies rules. If a goal fails, it backtracks to try different possibilities. Unification is the process of making two terms identically by finding a suitable solution for their variable. It is a fundamental mechanism in which logic programming that allows the system to match pattern by and apply rules. For example, in the query, if uh, Alice is grandpa of X, Prolog will unify X with Charlie to satisfy the rule grandpa Alice is grandpa of Charlie. Forward versus backward reasoning. First of all, let's see what is forward reasoning. Forward reasoning, also known as forward chaining, starts with a known fact and applies inference rule to derive new facts until a goal is reached. How how forward reasoning works? Start with a known fact. Begin with a set of initial facts or premises. Apply rules. Use inference rules or protection rules to derive a fact or conclusion from the known fact. Continue until a goal is reached. Repeat the process until you derive the goal or desired outcome. For example, consider a simple expert system for diagnosing disease. Facts: if a patient has a cough and a fever, they might have flu. John have cough. John have fever. Goal: John is diagnosed if John has flu. Uh, Forward reasoning steps. Start with Start with the facts. John has a cough and fever. Apply the rule. If a patient has both symptoms, they might have flu. Conclusion: John might have the flu. Backward reasoning. Backward reasoning, also known as backward chaining, start with a goal or hypothesis and works backward to determine if it can be supported by the known fact. How backward reasoning works. First, we need to start with the goal. Begin with a goal or a hypothesis you want to prove. Then determine the facts or conditions needed to support the goal. Verify if these conditions or facts are already known or need to be derived from the other facts. For example, we are to determine if John has flu. Facts needed: John must have both cough and fever to have flu. So we start with the goal. Determine if John has flu. We identify the conditions. John needs to and if to identify the condition, John need to have cough and fever. If we verify that John has both the symptoms, we conclude that John has flu. Differences between forward and backward reasoning. Starting point. We, st- uh, we start with the facts and move toward the conclusion in forward reasoning, whereas in backward reasoning, we start with the goal in mind and work towards the towards finding supporting facts. Applications. Forward reasoning often used in systems where data is processed extremely incrementally, like database system or real-time data processing. Whereas backward reasoning is common in problem-solving scenarios where specific goals needed to be achieved, such as in troubleshooting or legal reasonings. And that is all for today. Thank you.